In this video, I'm going to look at a small 3 watt per channel amplifier I received from ICStation. We'll hook it up and see how this one sounds. It only requires 5 volts and will drive 2 speakers directly. Got another package from ICStation. This time this one's a little amplifier. Sorry about all that noise. This is a 3 watt per channel amplifier with a DC 5 volt operational voltage. It's about $4. It says here your voltage is 5 volts at 2.5 to 3 amps. It's total of 6 watts, 3 watts per channel into 8 ohms. Drives your loudspeaker directly. Let's crack this one open. And it's factory sealed. You see, this one here is just sealed up. I have to get out the good old scissors and cut this one open. There's what we've got in here. We've got a small module, surface mounted components. Let's take a look at the actual construction of this thing. Get a close-up of this. So here's the inputs and outputs. You have your right channel output with your negative and positive for your speaker here. Right? It's a bridged output, a BTL output, so you need a separate negative wire. You can't use a common bus. So positive and negative for the right speaker, positive and negative for the left speaker. Here's our input here, and our 5 volts input and ground. Let's hook it up. Oh, it looks like it's got a, is this a headphone? This is probably a headphone jack here. Or is that input? No, that's an input. That's an input. You can see it's tied to the input line here, so you can feed it with a 3.5 millimeter input or direct from your audio source, and I just so happen that I have a connector made up to feed it with that, so that's what I'm going to use. So let's hook up some speakers, let's hook up power, and let's see how this thing sounds. Okay, I've got the unit connected to my 2 speakers, my audio input source, and this is my power supply. We'll go ahead and apply power to the unit. Oh, it doesn't have a blue light. I'm impressed. It's got a green light. Isn't that nice? I've already got some music playing here. No, I don't. Now I do. Okay. It works. Actually, it doesn't sound too bad either. It doesn't have a lot of power though, right? But so there you have it. There's not much to see here. It's a small 3 watt per channel amplifier, and even tells you right here 3.5 millimeter audio input, 5 volt 1 to 2 amp input at full power here. I'm drawing about a half an amp, but and that's pretty much all it's going to have for power. There you go, not much else to see on this. It's a tiny little amplifier. Link to it is on the description for anyone interested in one of these units here. They're pretty reasonable. Got this one from ICStation. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.